The 1M is a very special car, but we can make it even more special, and that's exactly what we're going to do in this video. We're going to make it louder, lower and faster. To get that added sound from the N54, this customer has gone for the Akra back box. This is of course full titanium, and the build quality is incredible, and it will make it sound a lot better. The CSF intercooler is a lot larger than the standard intercooler, which we'll show you later on in the video, and that added size means that it keeps the IATs down and makes the power a lot more consistent. The N54 engine isn't known to be the most reliable, but in fact most of that unreliability comes from the parts bolted to the engine, including the charge pipes. Now the standard one is made of plastic, and even under standard power it can break. So we're going to cure that problem by fitting the Masata charge pipe. And lastly, we're going to be fitting the Eibach springs, which will drop the car 25mm on the front and 10mm on the back. That will get the arch gap sitting a lot more even, and it will make the car look a lot better overall. Now that's enough of me chatting. Let's get these bits picked up and fit them to the car. So Hash has removed the standard charge pipe and intercooler, and he's now currently modifying the front shroud so that the new intercooler will fit. And as promised, I'll show you the difference between the standard one and the CSF. So obviously the first difference is the actual size of it. The CSF is significantly larger than the standard one, which as I said is going to help with the IATs. CSF have gone for a step design on this intercooler, so that gives it a larger area at the front, which allows more air to go through so that it can cool down the air for the turbos a lot quicker. Like all CSF products, it is built very well and it has a high quality core inside, and the machine flanges on the ends allow the pipes to fit just like OE. So this is the standard charge pipe compared to the Masata charge pipe. Obviously the first difference is that this one's metal, this one's plastic. Now the reason for that is that the standard one, being made of plastic, can go brittle over time, and it can break along this seal here. Because this pipe is fitted after the turbos, it holds pressure, and even on a standard car it can break. And because we're tuning the car, we're obviously increasing the boost pressure, which increases the chances of the pipe splitting, which we don't want to happen. So we're going to fit the metal charge pipe to prevent that from happening. So enough of me talking about them. Hash is eagerly waiting to get them fitted, so I'm going to leave him to it. With the stand exhaust removed, we can show you the difference between the standard one and the Akra. Now, as I said before, the Akra is made of titanium and is of a very high build quality. It is only 1 kilogram lighter than the standard one, but the main benefit of this exhaust is of course having the valve. Now the valve allows you to have the choice of having it open or closed, so it can be louder or quieter, and when the valve is open it means you've got a straight through pipe as well as the sound resonating through the back box. So Hash is going to get this fitted to the car and then we can show you what it sounds like.
So that's the 1M complete. We would class this as an OEM Plus package, as it's sitting better, sounding better, and is around about 400 horsepower with our stage 1 map. If you are interested in this kind of package, head over to our website and have a look what we can do for you.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please remember to subscribe to the channel and turn your notifications on. If you want to join the conversation, please drop us a comment below and we will do our best to respond to you. And if you're running out of things to watch, why don't you watch one of these two?